How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. In order to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then go ahead and open up your YouTube application. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, go to the profile icon from the bottom right hand side and tap the gear icon. So while you're on the settings page, tap the general button, scroll down a bit, and you can see there is the restricted mode right at the bottom. In my case, it's currently enabled, so if you want to disable it or to turn off, toggle the button, and as soon as you've done that, the restricted mode has been turned off. However, if you're unable to turn off the restricted mode, then it might be probably because of the age. So what you can do is you can go ahead and change your date of birth. So for that, go to your YouTube account. Once again, go to the gear icon and go to accounts. Select the particular account and go to Google account. Once you tap on the Google account, select the specific account for which you actually want to change the date of birth and go to personal info. Right over here, scroll down a bit and you can see your date of birth. So if your date of birth is not above 18, then it might be the reason why you're unable to turn off the restricted mode. So you can go ahead and make changes with your date of birth. After that, you can go back to the general page and try disabling your restricted mode on YouTube. You can also try switching your network. Sometimes it might be because of the network connection, so you can simply go ahead and select the network type. So in this way you can turn off your restricted mode on YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.